Stop before you spend another dollar on a business idea. I need you to see this first. This is a product photo I took on my phone in about 4 seconds. And this is what it became in under a minute with zero design skill, zero budget, and zero team. And the tool behind it just became free to use, which is, again, really incredible from my point of view. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further. This video is for educational purposes only. It should not be considered business or finance advice. I'm simply sharing my own perspective and my own experience on a number of things. So Dola is an all-in-one AI assistant. Think of it as one chat window that can generate photos, generate videos, pull real-time information, translate, write, and help you learn all from plain English. No plugins, no separate tools stitched together. A simple, easy solution to apply, in my opinion. And right now is actually the moment to be looking at this because Dola just shipped 2 upgraded generation models, Seedens 2.5 for video and Seedens 5 for images. Both are generally powerful and both are free to use right now. Here's why that matters beyond just cool new tools. For small companies and solo founders, the business you're actually in just isn't your product, it's attention, and attention used to require production budgets and a production team. These 2 models are what close that gap from my point of view. You don't need an agency or a design team to compete for attention anymore. You need a phone photo and a prompt to compete. I repeat, phone photo and a prompt. In business, speed wins. That's the one thing I've learned in my time as an entrepreneur. If you can turn ideas into marketing assets in minutes, you're already ahead. Attention follows speed. That's exactly what Dola unlocks from my point of view. So let's actually put it to the test. Live, start to finish, in action. You know I'm a very practical person, so this was a matter of time, right? I'm not just going to give you the theory behind it. I'm actually going to put it to work. So let's set the scene more importantly. I've got a raw product shot here, as you can see. Bad lighting, cluttered background, exactly what most of us actually start with. I'm not going to touch Photoshop. I'm just going to talk to Dola and let Dola handle this for me. Step 1, the image. I type a plain language prompt describing the product, the mood, and the setting I wanted. This is where Seedream 5 Pro comes in really handy. It's not just slapping a filter on the photo, it's reconstructing detail, fabric texture, lighting, full of reflection, the stuff that makes an image read as professional instead of just looking AI generated. And look at that. That's one prompt. No Lightroom, no compositing, nothing, just one prompt. Step 2, the ad video. This is the part that actually made me stop and re-record this entire section again because I didn't expect it to work so well. I asked Seedens 2.5 to turn that same product into a short commercial style clip. Model holding the product on the shelf, and a lifestyle shot as one blended sequence. Here's the upgrade that matters the most. Seedens 2.5 has multi-reference consistency. That means I can feed it a model reference, a product reference, and a scene reference, and it holds all 3 consistent across the clip. No more warping. No more that's clearly not the same product from shot to shot. It even supports split screen style referencing. This is especially useful if you're doing before or after a 2 product comparison. Step 3, sound. I didn't touch the timeline editor here. Seedens 2.5 syncs the cuts to the beat of the music automatically. And that's what they call beat switching transitions. So when there's a high energy moment in the clip, it naturally lands on a hit in the track. That's an editing skill that used to take me hours in Premiere. And notice the prompting itself. I didn't write a novel. I asked for a short ad in plain English, and it filled in the pacing, the shot variety, and even suggested a copy. I want to demonstrate the final output for 8 to 10 seconds to give you a little glimpse of what it looks like. Now, let's have a look. That's pretty incredible. That start to finish took me under 15 minutes, a comparable shot and edit cycle that traditional way is likely going to take you 2 to 3 days. Plus, most importantly, this was budget friendly. I didn't have to use a huge budget to get this done. I had an affordable budget in place, and that was Dola. Now, quick honest note here, Dola doesn't have some automated pipeline that runs this for you end to end. This is still a manual process prompt by prompt, but here's the tip I'd generally recommend. Every time you've got a new offer, a new angle, a new product photo, you can just rerun this same process yourself. It's not automated, but it's repeatable, and that's worth building into your existing workflow. Let me show you that quickly on a completely different product, sped up so you can see this wasn't a one-off lucky result. Same process, photo in, plain language prompt, Seedream 5 Pro builds the image, Seedens 2.5 builds the motion and sync it to the music. Same result, clean, consistent, ready to post, not one viral asset. A process you can just repeat more importantly. See, I want to be direct about something here because I know this can sound like this is only for people who already know AI tools, and that's the actual point. There's no complex workflow here, no node-based editors, no downloading multiple apps, no stitching together 5 different subscriptions. You open Dola and you type what you want in normal plain English, the same way you would text a friend or a lover or something like that. So that's the whole interface here. And the reason why this is worth calling out. The AI look they used to give these tools away is noticeably reduced here. The lighting, the skin texture, the way fabric moves, it holds together in a way that would have taken much heavier setups a year ago. So if you're a founder or a freelancer, you're running any kind of e-commerce page, you've been putting off marketing content because it's expensive or so, this is genuinely worth 10 minutes of your time to try from my point of view. Right now, Seedance 2.5 is a free-to-use platform for up to 15 seconds, of course, of the video generation a day. That means that you get a chance to test it before you actually want to commit to it fully. Same applies for Seedrum 5 Pro. It's free to use up to 60 images a day. That's enough to run exact tests. I just did more than once without paying anything. And once you're satisfied with it and you see that you can use this for the long run and you definitely feel like you're going to exceed your daily limits, then subscribe. But you don't have to upfront, which is, again, a very good way, I feel, of testing whether a product is worth an addition to your business, more importantly. But regardless, I'll drop a link in the top part of my description to Dola in the description, of course, and it's pinned in the comments too. Go build your first asset, and if you want to drop it in the comments, I'll actually look through them and let you know my opinion about them, more importantly. See, the businesses that win from here aren't the ones with the best product. They're the ones who build a system to make sure people actually see it. That's the whole shift. Stop building just the business. Start building a content system around your business. Just a reminder, this was my own experience testing the tool, not business or financial advice. I have to be very clear about this. So take what fits your situation and leave the rest. Look, it's time for me to round up this video. If you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship. Take care now. Bye-bye.